What's the meaning of brash? Brash. Brash.
Brash. Brash. The term brash typically refers to a person or their behavior, which is self-confident or assertive to the point of being deemed rude or insensitive. It is often associated with impulsive or reckless behavior, and people who are described as brash are known for acting without considering the consequences of their actions. In general, such behavior tends to be viewed negatively, and those who constantly exhibit such traits may struggle to create positive relationships with others. To avoid being perceived as brash, it is advisable to be more thoughtful in one's approach to dealing with others, and to try to understand the impact of one's words and actions on those around them.